Use the Mail app on your Mac to send and receive email and organize all of your messages. We'll show you how to add your email account, send an email, and search and organize your mail. Before you start, you'll need your email address and your email password. First, let's add your email account to Mail. Open the Mail app from the dock. If you're setting up Mail for the first time, a prompt appears asking if you'd like to add your Mail account. Enter your email address. We're adding a Google email account, but depending on your email provider, this process might vary slightly and you might need to follow some additional steps. When you're ready, click Continue and follow the instructions. You might need to complete additional steps like two-factor authentication. Once you've signed in, select the apps you'd like to sync with your email account, like your contacts, calendars, and notes. Then click Done. A prompt appears letting you know how you can use Apple Intelligence in Mail with priority messages, message summaries, and smart replies. Click Continue to move on. Next, choose if you'd like to turn on Mail privacy protection. This prevents email senders from learning information about your mail activity, like your location and if you've opened the email they sent you. For this example, we're selecting Protect Mail Activity. Then, click Continue to finish adding your account. Now your emails start to download. Keep the Mail app open and your Mac turned on while this happens. It might take a while, but you can continue to use your Mac and check the download progress in the lower left corner of the window. Mail automatically sorts your email into categories to help you find and manage messages quicker. To keep your messages organized this way, click Try Categories. Want to add another email account? Click Mail in the menu bar. Select Add Account, and follow the prompts to start the process. Now, we'll walk you through how to send an email. In Mail, click the Compose New Message button in the toolbar and enter an email address or contact. Then, add the subject and write the rest of your message. To add a document, photo, or other attachment, click the Attach button in the toolbar and choose what you'd like to attach. For this example, we're choosing Attach Files. Select the item you'd like to send, then click Choose File to attach it to your message. Click Send at the top of your email when you're ready. If you made an error in your email or sent it by mistake, you can click Undo Send within 10 seconds of sending to recall the email. If you don't click Undo Send, your message will send after a 10-second delay. Want to respond to an email? Select the email in your message list or double-click an email to open it in a new window. Then click Reply or Reply All in the Mail toolbar. Now, write your message and click Send. Once your inbox is set up, you can search your mail or organize your messages to help you find things when you need them. The Mail app organizes email messages into mailboxes, which are like folders. If you previously set up folders for your account, Mail adds them to your sidebar as mailboxes. If you hold the pointer over your account, you can click New Mailbox to add one, or click the Hide button to temporarily hide your mailboxes for that account. To show the mailboxes again, just click the Show button. To search for an email, click the search field in the upper right corner of Mail and enter a word or phrase. Mail looks for contacts, subjects, messages, and documents that match. By default, Mail searches all of your mailboxes. To search in specific mailboxes, select them in the sidebar. To organize your email, you can drag a message from one mailbox to another. That message will now only appear in this mailbox, so you can quickly find it again later. When you no longer need an email, you can delete it. Just select the message and click the Delete button in the Mail toolbar. You can click Trash in the sidebar to view deleted messages. Just empty the trash when you're ready to permanently delete these messages. And that's how to get started with the Mail app. There it goes.